Hello, I am Seema Sonal. Welcome to the next episode of Tiny Tales. Do you ever wonder, why am I struggling? Have you heard the story of the butterfly? It's quite fascinating. I'm sure you would enjoy it. One day a man saw a caterpillar in the garden. He watched this caterpillar every day, making sure it gets proper food and water. And one day the caterpillar started creating a cocoon. Here starts the journey of metamorphosis to become a butterfly. The man was really excited and he couldn't wait to see the beautiful butterfly. One day the man saw a small hole in the cocoon and the butterfly was trying to come out. He was even more excited and he was wanting to see the beautiful butterfly emerging out, until it stopped making any progress and he could see that the butterfly was actually struggling to come out. He felt that it is time he needs to help that butterfly come out. The man decided to help the butterfly emerge out. He took a pair of scissors and snipped the remaining bit of the cocoon. The butterfly emerged out easily, but it came out with a swollen body and small shriveled wings. It could never fly, as the wings never expanded and the swollen body remained as it is. Despite the man being kind-hearted, he failed to understand that all the struggle what that butterfly went through was part of metamorphosis, converting it from a caterpillar to a beautiful butterfly. The man failed to understand the continuous effort from the butterfly to come out of its cocoon would let the fluid stored in the body be converted into wings. Thus, the body would be lighter and smaller, and the wings would be large and beautiful. That was God's way of preparing itself from flying once it is out of the cocoon. Do we face such struggles in life? Our struggles in life develop our strength. Without struggles, we never grow and we never become stronger. Hence, it is very important to tackle our own challenges rather than relying on others all the time. Struggling is an important part of any growth experience. In fact, it is these struggles that create the real you and gives you the ability to become the best version of you. You would agree to me if I say that as parents, we want the best for our children. And there are times where we assist them more, even when they are perfectly capable of doing his or her own things. As parents, we don't want our children to struggle more. However, letting the child struggle and even fail at times would be highly beneficial for his or her growth. Because mistakes are valuable. Failures help your child to face the real world. Struggle is good for the brain. It helps to shape the identity of your child. Let us teach our children handle obstacles and how to face failures in life. The next time you are in struggle, ask these questions. Who am I? What am I doing? What is this struggle teaching you? Remember, struggle makes you shine. And also remember, no pain, no gain. Thank you.